Binance's CEO isn't concerned about CBDCs. Instagram uses crypto to store data forever. And stick around to the end if you want to know which exchange is launching a gasless NFT platform today. My name's Morgan, and this is your nightly crypto news wrap-up. Let's get it. At the recent Web Summit conference in London, Binance's CEO Changpeng Zhao was asked about central bank digital currencies, and his answer is turning heads around the globe. Believe it or not, CZ doesn't think that CBDCs will be bad for the global economy or for crypto. He even went as far to say that the more we have, the better. He also said that having a central bank issued digital currencies will validate the blockchain for anyone that's still on the fence. So what's more important, making a believer out of a skeptic or letting a Black Mirror episode play out in real life? As we know, central banks around the world are already experimenting with their own digital currencies, and some are already rolling out test runs. The crypto space is hesitant to embrace global central banks' newfound love of blockchain because they're a threat to privacy, sovereignty, and everything that makes crypto. Not only that, this opens the door for governments to use blockchain as a tool for control and financial discrimination. Just Google, "Why does crypto hate CBDCs?" and you will find a tidal wave of articles on what they could do to crypto and financial sovereignty as we know it. Like it or not, CBDCs are coming no matter what. So why has CZ downplayed their impact? Who knows? And for all we know, he's probably going to profit off the situation. Let's just hope our governments don't go full Big Brother and allow CBDCs to coexist with stablecoins and DeFi. Now let's hand it over to Frankie Candles for a Market Watch.
Thanks, Morgan. All right, guys, let's jump in and do a little market watch here. We've got Bitcoin coming in at $20,202, up about 0.2% on the day. We've got Ethereum coming in at $1530, up about 0.6% on the day. But guys, let's go ahead and check our top movers. Obviously, Arweave, you guys did hear about the news. Meta is partnering with Arweave and Matic. We have Arweave up 42% on the week, 36% on the day. We got OKB up 24%, Phantom up 16%, Filecoin up 10%, and Matic up 10%. Now, I do want to bring you guys over to the Matic chart because obviously we're up 10% on the day, but we are starting to bullishly consolidate here, forming a bullish pennant. If Matic does break out of this bullish pennant, the measured move does bring you up to prices above $1, up all the way to $1.13. I would say keep an eye on between $1.10 and $1.13. If this thing does get another leg up, that is the measured move and the target for the next breakout. If you guys want to follow me, it's Frankie Candles on YouTube or Frankie_Candles on all socials. Back to the news.
Instagram is creating a new kind of influencer in crypto with the integration of NFTs. Users will soon be able to mint, showcase, and sell digital collectibles, and it'll all be powered by Polygon. The feature will roll out in 100 countries, and wallets can connect directly to the app. And a shimmery effect will show authenticity. A small group of creators will test the update, including artists Refik Anadol, Amber Vittoria, and David Krugman. The cost? Instagram's parent company Meta said displaying and sharing NFTs will be free, and sales won't be charged additional fees until at least next year. Creators will be able to make, use, and sell NFTs both on and off Instagram, creating an end-to-end toolkit for digital collectibles. To no surprise, the price of fan-favorite sidechain's Matic token surged yesterday following the news, rising about 17% to just under $1. Matic wasn't the only token influenced by Instagram's announcement. Decentralized storage solution Arweave will be used to handle all that data and store it permanently. The project's native token AR surged 60% yesterday from just over $10 to almost $17, giving it the third largest market cap for any Web3 token worldwide. Store tokens and NFTs safely with a Ledger hardware wallet. Click the link down below for a BitSquad exclusive deal. Remember the movie Zoolander? Seeing NFTs everywhere made me think of it because they're just
so hot right now.
Kraken is the latest big player to get in on the action with a newly launched NFT marketplace featuring gas-free transactions. This fact alone is massive because I know how tired everyone is getting of paying ridiculous gas fees, me included. A Kraken spokesperson said that they're unfazed by the near collapse of the digital collectibles market, and in fact, they're more focused on accelerating financial freedom and independence. They designed the marketplace from the ground up to be the most secure and accessible, and it will start off with 70 Ethereum and Solana-based NFTs. Users can store new and old NFTs right on Kraken. The exchange plans to set itself apart from the competition with built-in rarity tools, featuring a rarity score, showing users exactly what they're buying before they make a bid, and measures to keep malware-enabled NFTs off the platform. Kraken will put security first, and they hope to create a safe space for new people to trade and collect NFTs. Sounds to me like there's a monster hiding beneath the surface of the open sea, and now the Kraken has been unleashed. That's all I got. Be blessed, BitSquad, and have a great night.